Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss about integers of class 7 of CBSE board. Here is the introduction of integers. First we discuss about the overviews of this chapter integers. Let us find out what are the different topics we have covered in this chapter. Here you see, this is our introduction. And you see here, the first one is introduction to natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. And the second one is integers on number line. Third one is absolute value. Fourth number is how to add and subtract integers on number line. Next one is properties of addition and subtraction of integers. Next one is multiplication of integers. And the last is multiplication of a positive and negative integers. We will cover all these topics in this chapter, that is introduction of integers. The first one is introduction to natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. The second one is integers on number line. Third is absolute value. Fourth one is how to add and subtract integers on number line. Properties of addition and subtraction of integers. Multiplication of integers. And the last one is multiplication of a positive and negative integers. The next we will discuss about. The first one is see, this is natural number. Now we will discuss about natural number. You see, this is natural numbers. Now first of all, we find the definition of natural number. You see, natural number. First one is, what is natural number? Natural numbers generally are counting numbers. For example, if we say that natural numbers consists of the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. It will continue up to infinity. And these are known as natural numbers. Or you can say by definition that number one is natural numbers are part of the number system including all positive integers from 1 to infinity. Right? I already told you that natural numbers are part of the number system including all positive integers from 1 to infinity. And the second point we can discuss with natural number is natural numbers are also called counting numbers because they do not include 0 or positive integers, right? That means natural numbers consist of 1, 2, 3, 4 up to all the positive integers and doesn't include 0 or negative integers. These are natural numbers. Or you can say that natural numbers are counting numbers. It starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? This is natural numbers. And the next point to discuss now will be whole numbers. What are whole numbers? The whole numbers are the numbers without fractions and it is a collection of positive integers and 0. It is represented by the symbol W and the set of numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to infinity. 0 as a whole represent nothing or a null value. Whole numbers consist of W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and up to infinity. That means you can say that W can be written as 0 and natural number. This is the set of whole numbers. Whole number means the natural numbers including 0, that is whole number, right? That means you can once again repeating that natural number is the counting numbers. It starts from 1, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the whole numbers starts from 0, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity, and whole numbers consists of 0 and the natural numbers. The next number we discuss is integers. Now we shall discuss about integers. What is an integers? An integer is a whole number but not a fractional number that can be positive, negative or 0. Examples of integers are -5, 1, 5, 8, 97 and 3. These are all integers. Or you can represent the integers in a number line also. You see here, suppose this is our number line. You see, this is our number line. Suppose this is a number line. And in the middle, we represent it as 0. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are positive integers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is -1, -2, -3, -4. Right? That means integers are positive integers and negative integers including 0. Right? These are integers. I already told you the integers are positive integers, positive integers. Positive integers. It is +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, +6, and negative integers. Negative integers are -1, -2, -3. Negative integers, including 0, is known as integers. Right? That means integers, the set of positive integers, negative integers, including 0, that is integer. The next one we'll discuss about is integers on number line. Integers are a set of positive and negative numbers including 0. Integers on a number line are defined as a pictorial representation of integers on a number line. Integers on a number line help us to perform different arithmetic operations. Right? These are the different applications of integers. Now you see here, we represented here like this. This is our number line. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. You see on the right side of 0 is the positive integers and the left side of 0 are the negative integers. 0 is neither positive nor negative. You have to remember that. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Right? Here you see that we represented the number line, the integers on a number line. And the next one we discuss is how to add, rules to add integers. What are the different rules to add integers? The following guidelines should be kept in mind when adding positive and negative integers. Add the two integers when both have a positive sign. That means suppose we have two numbers, one is +3 and one is +2. We want to add the two integers, and first add the value 3 + 2, that is 5, and it will be +5. Right? Then we have to add the numbers. Number 2, when both integers have a negative sign, add them together and give them the sum a minus sign. Both are negative. Suppose -3 plus of -2. What you do? Since both are negative sign, you see this is negative, this is also negative. That means you have to add the numbers first. 3 + 2 is 5, and give a minus sign to that number. Give the sum a minus sign. Right? Subtract and use the sign of the larger number if the sign of the two numbers differs. Suppose the numbers differs. Suppose one is +3 plus of -2. Right? What we do? You have to do, that is, the bigger one is 3 and the smaller number is 2. First is subtract it. The smaller number from the bigger one, that is 1. Right? 1. Now see the sign. This is +3, this is -2. 3 is greater than 2. therefore the sign will be positive, it is plus 1, right? In this way you can add all the positive integers. These are the different rules. Again I am repeating. The following guidelines should be kept in mind when adding positive and negative integers. Add the two integers and both have a positive sign, and 3 plus 2 is plus 5. When both integers have a negative sign, add them together and give them a sum of a minus sign. That is, both are negative. Minus 3 and minus 2 both are negative. We are adding the integers. And first of all, add the numbers. 3 plus 2 is 5 and give them a minus sign. Right? Subtract and use the sign of the larger number if the sign of the two numbers differs. That is plus 3 plus or minus 2. What do you do? First of all, subtract the smaller number from the bigger one. That is 3 minus 2 is 1. Right? And the sign will be C. This is minus 2. This is plus 3. It is greater than 2. Therefore, it will be positive in sign. Right? And the next one is rules. You see, the next one is rules to subtract integers. The following guidelines should be kept in mind to know how to subtract integers steps. Number 1. When subtracting two integers with the same sign, we first take the absolute values. When subtracting two integers with the same sign, we first take the absolute values. Number 2. If the two numbers are, we add the common sign to the final result. A number's positive or absolute value is the number itself. And the third one is the sign of the subtrahend changes when the two numbers are where with different signs are subtracted. The result will be positive if both integers change to the positive integers, and negative if they change to the negative integer. These are the different rules. First one is see how to subtract the numbers. Let us find. Suppose plus 5 is subtracted from plus 2. That means when subtracting two integers with the same sign, this is plus sign, this is also plus sign, we first take the absolute values. Absolute values means this is plus 5, this is plus 2. We subtract it, that 5 minus 2 is plus 3. We will only take the absolute values. Number 2. If the two integers are, we add the common sign to the final result. The number is positive, or absolute value is the number itself. Suppose, right? That means, suppose we are plus 5 minus 2, right? That means we are subtracting this one. That means plus 5 and minus into minus is plus 2. It gives to plus 7. Right? In this way, we can subtract other numbers also. The sign of the subtrahend changes when two numbers with different signs are subtracted. The result will be positive if both integers change the positive integer, and negative if they change to the negative integers. Suppose number 1 is plus 5. Suppose this one is plus 5 minus of plus 2, it is plus 5 minus into plus. I already told you that minus into plus is minus 2 and the result is plus 3. In this way you can subtract any numbers, right? These are the different rules to subtract integers, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.